Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm not in my beauty room today. I'm doing something a little different this time. It is the new viral beauty blender hack that is kind of going around the internet. I personally first saw it like on my Snapchat feed or whatnot. When I swiped over, it gives me all the little stories. And I was like, what is this? I have not ever heard of putting my beauty blender or my makeup sponges in a microwave to clean them. So I was so intrigued. I had to try it. I had to give it a shot. So if you would like to see this beauty hack, then keep on watching. From what I have read about this hack is that you take water with some dish soap and pop it in your microwave for a minute. It's supposed to disinfect your beauty sponge as well as clean it. Sounds easy. I have also heard that you do the same thing with water and dish soap, but you add olive oil to it as well. So I want to try out both. Why not? Let's see what works. I wanted to get up close and show you what they look like. This is what my beauty blender looks like. As you can tell, it's really gross. Really gross. And then my Real Technique sponge. And I will take before and after pictures so you can see them all as well. So here we go. Here's my beauty sponge. And I already have some water in this glass. I wanted you to be able to see it, so I put it in a clean glass. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in here and start squeezing it so that it starts to fill up with water. Then I'm gonna take some Dawn and pour some of that in here. And then again, squeeze so that the sponge is going to soak it up. So this is what it looks like. You can already see it's kind of dirty as is. So let's go ahead and pop it in the microwave for a minute. One thing I want to say that I read as well is that people were getting right in there and grabbing their sponges and squeezing them and burning the absolute out of themselves. No. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait a couple minutes and then I will be back. Okay, so I moved you over a little bit, and as you can see, the water is disgusting. So another thing I had read is that you need to wash it underneath water until you squeeze it and there's no soap left. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my God. Look at that. It is like a new sponge. I was so skeptical. I really was. Look at that. Look at that. I'm shocked. I really am. I think what's important here is making sure all the soap is out, because I tried to take it out, I guess, too early, and when I squeezed it, the sponge kind of looked like deformed, like it wasn't going back to its regular shape. So I think it's really important to make sure you get all the soap out of it, and it's good to go. It's back to normal. Oh my God, I'm freaking pumped. Okay, now I want to try the dish soap with the olive oil. Now I have my gross beauty blender. I'm gonna get some water, some dish soap, and some olive oil. All right, let's pop her in the microwave. It is out, and again, I'm gonna let it set and get cool. All right, so let's check this out. I've let it completely cool this time. And, ew, that's dirty. If you hear things rattling around, and yeah, my blind dog's in here, so. He's bumping into everything. Clean, completely clean. Yeah, totally, completely clean. They both work. Here are my honest thoughts about this. It's so easy for me to just take my sponge under the sink with my beauty blender cleaner that I have and suds it up, soak it up, and then my beauty blender is good to go. It cleans it just like that. Not saying this is hard, but I guess there's just with more steps involved. I don't know how often I would do it. However, I do like the fact of that it's disinfecting the beauty blender, because I think a lot of us don't think about that, whereas I'm a germaphobe. So the whole putting it in the microwave and doing this is intriguing to me because of the germs and putting it on your face. And I think a lot of us, if we're honest with ourselves, do not change out our beauty sponges as much as we should. So for that reason, I might do this once a week, maybe once every couple of weeks, depending how often I wear makeup. But for the fact that it does work and it is pretty simplistic to do, it's, you know, why not? Like I said, to disinfect it, why not? It's just as easy to take a bar of soap, run it under water with the soap, and clean your sponge as well. It does waste soap, I suppose, in a way. The beauty blender cleaner and the soap techniques or cleaning ways is faster. So I guess if you have time to clean and disinfect your beauty blenders this way, then I go for it. It's a great hack. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching, guys.